Hey guys, so I just got done with breakfast. It is currently August 1st. Can you believe it's already August? Where the heck did this year go? Blue and I, hello. We are going to be going with my family to the farm, and I just finished packing everything, and I want to show you guys a few things that I packed for Blue, a few things I packed for me, and yeah, we're just going to be taking you with us. So first thing for Blue, I want him to use this little Harry Potter bag. It's so cute. But there is, the camera's flashing, the battery. There's flea and tick spray for out there. I think we need to give him a bath probably. This is from Burt's Bees for puppies. I have some food in here, some treats, and also, of course, toys. So here's his little squid. Then I actually got him a new toy. Let me try and find it. It is this cute little Chinese box, and it has dumplings in them with little faces, and he loves them. They have little squeakers in them. Oh, you're cute. But we will see you guys in the car. Are we ready, Blue? Are we ready? So I actually just had to run into the house again because I forgot Blue's water bottle. I think this is so nice. It has a little cup and everything, and you push this button and there's a lock on it, and I just like this little dog water bottle. I will have the link in the description down below. But Blue and I are headed over to my parents' house right now because we are all headed up to the mountains together in the same vehicle. So we will see you when we're over there. Okay, so we are at my parents' house. Hi, Blue. Xavier got a new car. We're gonna go check it out. It's so exciting. And yeah, we're probably gonna just talk to you when we're over at the farm, because I don't know how comfortable my family is with the camera anymore. So hey guys, so we have officially arrived, and Blue's just wandering out into the field. This is so nice. I'll catch up with you guys once we finished unpacking everything. What you doing? What you doing? Blue. So we're out here on a walk with Blue, and he's doing so well. He's off leash. He's doing so well. I'm so proud of you. You proud of him too, Mom?
There's a snake hole. Keep walking, keep walking.
Yeah, he's doing real good. The drive up here wasn't bad, huh?
Oh no.
I thought it was nice. It's a little bit windy, clearly, but breezy. Alright, breezy. But she and I were just talking about the water bottle that I got him. It is so cute. I really like it. Like I said before, the link will be in the description down below. Hi, little one. Hi. Oh, cutie.
They're slippery. Off on some of them. Oh, something removed the rock right there, and it was deep.
Go on. Go on.
Taken out of the sand.
Go on.
Freaked out on the sand because he dropped his paws in it.
Hey, what was that? What was that? Yeah.
This is where you come fishing and you put your fishing boots on.
Mom, you're just like,
Get in the water.
Yeah, cutie.
No, I mean like you want right first.
Nah, I'm good. You go ahead and drive first. Xavier. Xavier.
I'm gonna get something dry.
Xavier. Excuse me.
It's gonna be cold a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I would hope you started it. Jeez. Oh, I like your shirt. Nice.
Oh, there, huh?
Yeah, cool.
This brake, the brake.
Do you not know how to? Yeah, that's the brake. Do you know?
Anymore, though.
Oh, what the heck? What are you talking about, dude? Wow. All right. And the whole reason why Xavier and I have to share one ATV is because the other ATV just isn't here, so we kind of have to just share. So, yeah. We're headed back down the mountain right now, headed back towards the house, and we will see you back over there. Well, dude, I thought that was a good ride. What do you think?
I think so too. I've
Yeah.
just seen the. Oh no, my hair.
Oh my gosh!
Get a shot.
This dude cared so much
They
about
never
his
see
hair.
me with the hat on. Yeah.
Alright. Look at them out there walking my little blue. That's so cute. Hello, little one. Hi. Oh, he's such a little cutie. He has his little squid right here with him, and I'm just going to be doing a little bit of editing. Everyone's in the other room just because they're watching Big Fish. So yeah, Blue and I are in this room and editing. I will talk to you guys when it's time for s'mores. So we're taking Blue outside one more time, huh? Alright, it is currently 10:13, and we're gonna take him out one last time, and they're lighting a little fire pit and everything to do some s'mores. Come on, Blue. S'mores are so good.
Alright. What are you talking about on there right now?
Hey, good morning, guys. So we have eaten breakfast. I had green chili on top of potatoes. There were scrambled eggs and sausage involved. And Blue's doing so good. Like, I just put on some oil and rolled it on with one of those facial rollers right now. No makeup on so far, but I did get dressed. And my mom just took Blue outside. I need to go and relieve her of her duty and everything with him, just because she needs to get dressed too. All I need to do is brush my teeth and put on my makeup once we're like ready to leave. I normally don't wear makeup up here just because it's just my family who's seeing me, and I don't really care like what they think, you know? Like they've raised me and everything. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna head out and check on Blue. I'm out there trotting in the field. Aww. Hello. Are you having a nice time? Aww. Such a little handsome one. He's so cute. Look. Hey, sweetie.
Oh, and my shoes.
No, Blue. Where is he? Oh, he's right there. No, ants keep on biting him and everything.
Oh, yeah. There's not that many.
Everything.
Catch my hair if you can. That would be amazing.
Oh, so we're gonna be having brats and hot dogs for lunch, huh?
Oh, I didn't do the buns.
Yeah.
Did you want yours roasted?
No, no,
toasted,
no.
whatever?
No, not toasted. These are so good. So I just need to put on my makeup, load the truck up with all my stuff, and after lunch, we're actually going to be going over to Walsenburg. So I will see you guys probably after we eat. Okay, so we are in the car, or the truck rather, and I need to be putting away Blue's stuff so we can get ready to go. So here's the little Harry Potter bag that's his, and I'm putting in his little Kong Chewy treat toy and his bone. I think this is all that's in here. We also have his little squid potty pads, let me see, his treats, and I'm hoping I put in his, yep, it's right there. Right there, his little dumplings. So Blue is all good and ready and packed. He's good. I just need to double check that I have everything that I need. So we are in the car. Everything is ready. I scraped up my knee just a little bit, but he is ready. We are in the car. Everybody else is getting stuff done. I feel like I need to go out and help them a little bit. So Blue and I are gonna head out really quickly. I just wanted to make sure everything is in here. Gotta roll through everything in my mind. How Blue? How Blue's clues? Hi, little one. So yes. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Aww. But yeah, I feel like he enjoyed himself over here. It is right now raining, so we're gonna be headed out pretty soon. Bye. We'll see you guys when we're back in town. Hey guys, so as you could tell, I am back home. This is the next day. I really wanted to come on here and end the vlog properly, unlike what I've been doing in the past before, because I've just been slacking. But last night I ended up going to my parents' house with Blue. We ended up staying for dinner. We ordered Domino's pizza. I had, what was it? It was like we ended up having like ordering 2 medium pizzas. The one I ate had like Alfredo sauce on it. There was feta cheese, chicken, and spinach. It was so good. And I started watching The Umbrella Academy with my mom, season 2, because it is now out and it is so good. Oh my gosh. But around, I want to say 7:30, she started drifting off, and I knew it was time for Blue and I to go. He was already tired too, so we ended up coming home at around 8 o'clock-ish, 8:15. We ended up getting here, and yeah, it's all just been me unpacking, trying to get things like in order, trying to do laundry, honestly, not being very successful, but I actually have to go to the chiropractor's office this morning. It is 9:20. August 3rd, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next makeup sit down video. Bye. Oh yeah, remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.